Your Genesis vehicle comes equipped with a number of convenience and assistance systems, all of which can be easily accessed through the center infotainment screen. The infotainment home screen can be accessed by either pressing the Home button located on the center console or the on-screen Home icon. Once on the home screen, you will see icons displaying the time of day, current weather, navigation, and audio system. These icons are shortcuts, and pressing the infotainment screen in the area of any of the icons will bring up that particular system. Pressing the time of day will quickly bring up the clock setting screen. Pressing the weather area brings up the current weather and weather forecast screen. Pressing the navigation area will bring up the map screen for direct access. And pressing the audio playback icon will quickly bring up the audio menu, which displays the current media source being played. Pressing the Home icon or console button will return to the home screen, and the shortcuts will be available on screen whenever that particular function is activated. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.